Welcome to Inside Kotoko Silver Network here on YouTube. Mr. Abio, Nametiase. Odia kuchwe weekend no ediaba inti eba sana na se nsem na wo ho no yetimi boano na yede beso yetifo ene ahwefo na eba bibia etimi ekowano na nyesa. Well, over the weekend Sunday Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no anye training. Ene enra is that you omanye training. Nene update from training. The me peke some be bom yenu atwaso. But ban opa no ma boy area. Na omasa da tirim nyame ya adom ochra. Eye e kan say Banada. Na omane Heart of Lions e dia womb one side. 2 weeks and Asante Kotoko di wa Accra. Omecha 1 week every. Omecha 1 week every. Inti omobabo this week I have for 2 friendly matches. Banada and Memeneda. Then on Monday they will be back in Kumasi after their 14 days. A year phase 2 of the preseason in Accra. Abanewie. Then on the 28th of this month, Democracy Cup, Omone had to folk at the Ababe Shishaso. 28th Friday. And near Bob on Friday. Okay. Now so me am a boss, Jeffrey Asari. Early to my name say dating was fixed by Parliament. You heard him say now what you bet me Jeffrey Asari. It was studio has say. Na yani apostle. It's me the Democracy Cup no komo. Because media houses are officially apostle are contacted so person omobo Democracy Cup no Mr. Abiu ye the aka ho. Nti ye do etiri kakra. Ti apostle tiam so obed. Okay, you made no nti conve 28 on Friday March na beba so nti na say Monday ese Kotoko Kumasi. No the training so Tuesday and Wednesday. They made Tiano Crane say, I'll meet me if you are crano a Sunday no after some about sympathy on Saturday. Then say Sunday no they are traveling and resting. Na Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm on had to folk big game for Eric Tinkler. The Democracy then Cup. It just papa. Edema Eric Tinkler over one side. Inti ono so ebe hesen yo betimi epian yo ma agum. Inti Sabio we create training na ekoso. Na de me tie nie. Story number 1. Yes, first in the prelims. Ma mambom fana mundidi ho. Se Kotoko anye training. Kotoko obebo friendly mienu. Na Kotoko beba back to Ghana, beba back to Kumasi. No was able prepare for a year house match. Ni nyina no de ye de prepare ye yire dwae. Dia me picking you. The technical team of Asante Kotoko is not done with their recruitment. Positions are the recruitment. Number 1, goalkeeping department. Zabio Omewie. The technical team of Asante Kotoko is impressed with the performance of Cleverson Obing. Yes. I think deep boy na hun komo papa. Men so boy na ba so mutimi pon training. E mo frɛ boy ni gina nkyɛn ni team komo hyɛ ni nkran sɛ masa. Oba na adwuma ye. Na o sɛ Cleverson Obing no. Ne ball no oyade. And the confidence to leave the post or yard. Where's Yanada? Also, wapa. Nti ni mu na enye du badowa. To the po no mu a. Eya ne ho nto no. Enya den ema no. Utimi ko. Nti boy no. Penifone said there be. Peking or than here. Dan lad Aziz. Clever. A trading. 3 keepers near what came mom. Was it youth team. So youth team, there's another keeper. And also, so I'm say okay. Because Kotoko Nankas and a league and a FA Cup. Incident no 3 keepers. Now, a coach that believes so much in youth development. Our name said Dan lad no. We're too quiet wasaba. Into wasaba biem no. Ni krom hat no. Eye kitwe because we nya. Obe sign etu kwan. Aziz so no wa on. Into the future na nkasa no. The next 2 years, 3 years no. Eba be si obe so. Incident no mo ha boy no na. Omo san ko fa front san be hye ho. Na ma boy ni development no ko basa. Into the Moroccan goalkeeper, I am confirming to you, say Onya Emba. Take it on from Seobed. Omba. Because they are okay. That lad will sign a 2 years contract with Asante Kotoko. Clever. The salary increment, beba. Youth team players, no, omoji allowance. Allowance, no, dear, unze, oko SS. Maybe I'm a car amount to make us so best amount user. But Oko SS. Now I'm trying to say almost 3rd division. Oh, it's my baby da. Oh, now your mouse size carries a Jennifer for you town home. Yeah. Our form dear ba. Beside you ever find say yeah. Ti dear ba na say obi be ka na ho. On be page mo dear ma no. Nti embe ye below we na oje no. Because I want a youth team for Sika. And we goalkeeping department. Right back. Omuyi. Meka Emmanuel Day. Sanja wansem kyerɛw. Mr. Abio. The technical team of Asante Kotoko come on the administrative side of Kotoko. And the negotiators. They want to use the ball in one of the friendly matches. I said, then I'm a list of players I could quite complete. And I'm a catcher say, Bebrena a free agent. 18 in here. Now what you see? Free agent for any omutimiba and be training. But the only free agent na just only new Sanwaba. Dan lad a free agent. Now Ali Omar was a big catcher no a free agent. Kofi Bini. Onye free agent intino. And I know a free agent, but I know from him also never. To no buy and I know my Isaka and Isaiah Kubu. Oh, but no my but I know a free agent. Up to Kader. Not the contract. So no say about Division 1 war Cote d'Ivoire. And the team no qualify. There's any a team CBA by DBB mo abano. And Obako Toko. To on board Premier. Cote d'Ivoire Division 1 and an obo. They offend the League 2. Saibio, honestly, a free agent. Agadas, a free agent. Emmanuel Mama, now the contract with Midiema, sorry, Samates. I saw Kopoko Ajmai, no a free agent. Then Ubenya Abrantia Freno, Makagadas on. Eric Better, no a free agent. And a Solomon. Assassin a free agent. Into the club to club, Eya Bem, Bakope, Emmanuel Sanja. Don't know the mean Casa Bramini and Yejuma and Sani Aquacoto. On say Solomon Assassin and the contract with Fortuna Info. Neding, no. In 4 hours a day, no. Enti week way player. Kotoko peso wie because coach is also born one of the friendly games. Abu Adams me catch us when said none at the end he said I complete promotion. But no count. Oh. And you say no. 10 youth team players now Kotoko register and din likely say ho and a question. So ebe Kote any man or Sanja. Personal terms. Mr. Abio. My main fan too and say personal terms between the club and between the player and the club. New say say Mr. Say club to club. And no and so much. Na what you we ya. penifo do munya yanka acha nkenne kura no na nka o mawie yempese be dinim a player to player there the technical team of Asante Kotoko any boy ni kasa momu di omo pese boy ni be ye momo on so we coach na ofa player esese woni ni din komo na wo convince no and sa de na koso enti any last minute keshe bia mbebomu a Emmanuel Sanja eba be ya Asante Kotoko player by the end of the week any ye free oba center back benefore you okay center back omo main two and omo Hamzata any abrante feno eye Joseph Amoa e won komonum middle and omo pebi then omo pe a creative midfielder Mr. Abio on the creative midfielder hono ball no shading komono omo ne say omo here marquee signing say ka marquee signing ati ase pabne baako hype no ho now on say Emmanuel entry and an jesi number 10 the entry when Tia make the squad say a question here corner update be free entry ho aba but my key signing send na na amponsa time no na wa fat Latif and Abila na be bia be fa bia na edin obi ebo Latif and Abila no awuram the second scene no Fabio Gama na be bia be fa bi obi ebo a o say kai Fabio e din amanfo bo e ma omo sorry omo mpaso omo nkonwa so e ma omo pro omo so mpeso ko stadium e ko hwa Asante Kotoko dia me picking here say sa row no number 10 position no any jersey number 10 no omo probi for that for now in their books Philip Amo any Walid Hussein Neymar and omo share number 10 ho remember Walid an update yes the king Walid remember updates and of friend ho the nickname no the friend ho the king yes say boy no nimba en nyam fire but the far munjere yi nti Mr. Ebio omo pe a creative midfielder the caressy ball J-ball gina so ball pass to baby na defender si tiguna striker wo adwuma ne se fa ball no eden fa to net omo betu kwan enye Ghana ni debi omo plan B plan B ne fall e Ghana ni bi so but plan A no a foreigner me think komo bi every thinker any penifo din komo say I was skillful boy bi I was South Africa we skillful we number 10 otimi bua go she wo ba ball no touch ya say yes player touch ball betimi atwe dom e dia baba sports stadium Kotoko so I work with an agent you know, so the videos of a South American player I will also touch a ball to say yes the intelligence behind the ball distribution and then the final delivery a bro so I am working for that role Kotoko search for a typical creative midfielder is still ongoing and Agadas non so a complete midfield. Then lastly, omo the striker back ebe kan komo no ho. Na chere so omo timi. According to my report am picking coach ni so poku agima nhego. Mama suit mi shego. Inti eduru there dia obe ball from the wings. It was poku agima no strike from the wings. Send me obetimi di go account number 9 be she. Number 10 be she. Number 7 be shebi. Number 11 so be shebi. Into where the 5, where the 7, where the 8, where the be 15. When remember on snap goes now, o players national. The osoro. I bet me nkunim die mapa. The abretim no. No the flu oba Mr. Bio me de mounty. A South African creative midfielder. And here back. And a South American creative midfielder. And also here back. These players have been recommended. Their video has been discussed by the Asante Kotoko technical team. I know by the marquee signing, the celebrity signing for Asante Kotoko. Yedi hunchiri mono edi mama yetu aso. Omo jipa se onse meka yo. Ena nyame so eboae. Emma Stanley ye interview na Stanley Menzo I show over 100 videos. Sa interview na me catch no se Kotoko team no. Criteria omo de fa players awaba ene de omo de pamo se omo hu se wa awaba no. Ese se wo bro de ho no so. Se me catch asem no. Menzo ye interview no kan. O say sa oba na wo bro de ho no so a. Na se de ho no ho so be bro so a. They will prefer some be fa de ho na. Esa wo be bro na wo be ma de ho no competition. Inti Ali Omar. I meant to also or the honor stories for another day. Mr. Abio, me pikisa one here ochina. Walid Fuseni name I had went to me on board. Asante Kotoko Heart of Lions game no. Yes, me piki bibi. Me go su shima. But they me picking it based on Walid training no. The technical team of Asante Kotoko pese ombe no kochi biama. Ebia bibia kwa kusi na ebia prebia ba nti on person me boko de ma Walid on pre-season here pressure be any boy na di can show ama the technical team of Asante Kotoko you convinced with the modern ball and in the performance it dey na omo be pre omo ho bebri emma eye ombe ye na bibi nko team na bibi nko ka bibi na afie akire no afi ne prana ababe yemo nti tabio the me picking as the technical team no will not rush Walid Fuseni nema for the friendly achna Kotoko Heart of Lions ebeba ene di efro Kotoko NSI discussion be bebre wawia Prince Bedu Zakaria Fuseni Saka Dauda omo update ebebe awia ebra ya tenase na details from Tinkler interview 16 minutes exclusive interview Eric Tinkler no and also area then this weekend Friday at the Saturday David Obeng and the partners Omobabe handle Asante Kotoko brands Asia players no stabio on official notice. Oh, yeah, Kotoko player now sign a contractor. Kotoko, your image right 100%. Send a Real Madrid, you know. I was a Ghana, no. Players need right in each other. Empty. So be person on no negotiating advert. You need an approval from Kotoko. The negotiation will come from Kotoko. Into intimate Kotoko player. Now, do image na kwa advert the ama condom. Huna Kotoko player na ubua to pan ting ada wa ye advert ama condom aba ka se meme ye player ma ho din ye na ema me ne omuhie nyina no condom am use nie without the approval from Kotoko debi sanatia omo na be tika so nipa na be bom so okay omo ntimi nkoye advert ma call company bi emye hu so we Kotoko player no kutansa bi no atwa se kai ekoyo we ni we akona kotobi na me asomasi me bobo ma Kotoko no we ya ha na me nom da bi untimi nyesa ese club no share advert na eba no o maka se we ni fit the brand of Kotoko na sometimes when omo na be boa in negotiation it was a goalkeepers na be chom gloves na there once official omo che gloves and we twa picture and on it falls within the standard because if you are Kotoko crown only company be our sponsor the gloves no sa company na ba be pre and no ya na mostly no the Kotoko system ni ditum into all the rules and regulations e di amomo Mr. Abio back home the mom ya TikTok live me see stories na wi ana e betena se TikTok live he say it has been confirmed to every Kotoko player say won't mean international na 11, 12 na TikTok so. Because as some now is an information the media can use against you and Kotoko, which is your image. Those are Kotoko player not TikTok live, maybe only player about kuna say Omudin komo now be me kramba Kotoko no say ni and century ni download the video na wenya voice na wenya no so wenya story. About say you've given out an information which the media team of Kotoko enya control over the narrative. And someone enya control over asamna awokano. Say never fall in line with every program and plan of the brands and partnership department. Mr. Abi omudi nkomo bebre ba na anopa. Anopa so de eye party ene ye ho adwuma de mamo. Ye be hia